Hi, I'm Lynn Desmond, together with my husband Wayne, who's behind the camera, on location at Glen Golf and Country Club with its amazing amenities and social activities. Now let's take a look at 5754 Lago Villaggio Way. Follow me. We're so excited to show you this home on a quiet cul-de-sac. 10-foot ceiling heights, decorative crown molding, and beautiful 16-inch diagonal tile flooring greet you at the door in this spacious foyer. Do you enjoy entertaining? This dining room offers plenty of room for all your guests. The adjacent sitting room with a fireplace adds a nice, cozy, warm touch to the home. Some special features include the chair rail and decorative molding. Here in the kitchen, you have a large breakfast bar and separate sunny breakfast area. This wonderful, spacious kitchen includes stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, a pantry, convenient pull-out drawers, and lovely pendant lights sets a nice dining experience. This adjacent, open, and fun great room is the place for gathering your family or guests for a pleasant day or evening of entertaining. Hunter Douglas silhouette window treatments adorn the kitchen and great room. Step out the 8-foot sliding doors and enjoy your private lanais, sunny mornings, and cool afternoons surrounded by a lovely garden. The master bedroom has carpeting, decorative molding, a large walk-in closet, double sinks, water closet, jacuzzi tub, and easy walk-in shower. This home features 3 additional bedrooms with carpeting, fully tiled bath, all with plantation shutters. There's a convenient laundry room and large 2-car garage. Thank you for joining us today to view this beautiful home. Contact us for a private showing or an upcoming open house.